Hey guys, I know in the past I made a video of how to replace your oil cap because mine was leaking, but it turns out this one is no good. The one I replaced it with, it's a Motorrad brand. I mean, it's pretty loose, as you can see. It's not even creating a tight seal. And I saw oil still right here coming out of it, so I know it's not sealing properly. Alright guys, so what I found out is that they sell just the gasket. This is my OEM oil cap, and you can take off the gasket. You just have to have a flathead screwdriver and just pry at it. I couldn't find mine, so I'm just using a knife. There it goes. I kind of gripped it there. You just want to go around it until it comes off. Just like that. And there it is, guys. As you can see, the flat side is going to go facing down. You just want to compare your parts. Compare your parts. Anyways, here's the part number in case you guys want to buy it. I bought mine off of eBay. Anyways, there it is. That's the part with the ridges, and that's the flat side. So this flat side is gonna go down like that. So the ridge is facing up. But first you want to clean that up. You want to spray some carb cleaner on it. But as you guys can see, I ran out of carb cleaner. So what I'm gonna do is just grab a little bowl that I don't use for my lawn mowing equipment, and then I'm gonna put hot soap and water, or hot water and soap, and let it soak in so I can get it all the nasty gunk off of it. All right guys, as you can see, it's nice and clean now, nice and dry. I dried it with paper towels. So now you want to get your new one, and you're just gonna slip it in like this. Slip it in on one side. Remember, flat side goes down, facing down. There we go. Once you got it like that, you just push it down. Just keep pushing it down around the whole circumference of it. And that's all you do, guys. All right, guys, after you seat the new gasket in there, then we go clean up the oil cap's whole surface, which would be this right here. You want to clean this up, take this off. We're going to clean up all this surface here. Make sure it's nice and clean. Alright, once it's nice and clean, get your OEM oil cap with your new gasket and just put it on and test it out. And it's gonna be, I'm pretty sure, a way better seal. There it goes. That's a beautiful seal. That is a beautiful seal right there. And this is definitely better than having a aftermarket cap, because Mitsubishi made these caps for this specific car. So if you can get by just replacing the gasket, that's even better. And if you do not have this kind of car, this still works for you, because most oil caps have a gasket, so you can replace that and be good to go. So now just wipe all this down, and you're good to go, guys. I'll put the part number in the video description. Like, comment, subscribe.